Good afternoon and happy spring. It is beautiful here. The flowers are blooming. Everything's green. Looks fabulous. I love spring and summer, and I love a good spring and summer dish to serve at dinner. And that's what I'm making now is our dinner. So I'm going to share that with you, and I may have shared this recipe with you in the past. I'm not sure. I did not go back and look at my videos, but you can. I have several recipe videos, and this may be one of them from very long ago, but during the spring and summer, this dish is in heavy rotation in our house. So I make this dish every few weeks and we devour it. And if you try it, it may become one of your favorite spring and summer dishes as well. So this is a pasta dish, and I use bow tie pasta and of course chicken, which I need to get out of the refrigerator. I use sun-dried tomatoes, broccoli, oregano, garlic, basil, and then I have a few other ingredients that I'll share with you in just a moment. So let's begin by combining all of these ingredients and making possibly your new favorite dish for the summer. Let's begin by cutting the broccoli into florets. So I'm going to make space for that. Put our sun-dried tomatoes to the side because we are going to use those in just a moment. So I don't want them to be far away. Don't need that. You can use your broccoli stalks and make cream of broccoli soup, which is absolutely fabulous. But we're not going to do that today. I'll save that for another day. We want to add a half of a cup of white wine and 3/4 of a cup of chicken broth to our pan. So let's go over to the stove and get started. Let's begin by adding about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now that we're heating the olive oil, let's add about a pound of chicken breast. Now these are chicken tenderloins, but you can use any cut of chicken breast you would like. I've only used white chicken meat with this dish. I've never used thighs or legs, so I can't recommend that. So I just pull it apart into bite-sized pieces. You can cut the chicken before you cook it, but this is so easy just to pull apart. You could leave the chicken in large pieces if you'd like to present it that way. There is no reason to cut it or to leave it whole. It's all your preference. We've added the julienne cut sun-dried tomatoes, and if you prefer to use whole sun-dried tomatoes or half sun-dried tomatoes, makes no difference at all. The taste is still the same. Now we're going to add broccoli. Wonderful fresh broccoli. Let's include about a tablespoon of oregano, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, 3/4 of a cup of chicken broth, and a half of a cup of white wine. Pinch of sea salt. Let's make that 2 pinches of sea salt. about a teaspoon of black pepper, ground black pepper. Let's give this a quick stir, and we will let it simmer until the broccoli is tender. While everything's simmering, let's boil some pasta. Let's add a bit of sea salt and our pasta. Stir and let simmer.
Side by side, our fears are done.
Until tender.
All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it.
We are now ready for dinner, and I cannot wait because this is one of my favorite recipes. It is the pasta, chicken, sun-dried tomatoes, broccoli, and all those herbs and spices. So yummy. And have a nice glass of white wine with it, and you are set. And you can save this and have it the next day. It actually tastes even better the second day. So I am going to leave all of the information about this recipe in the information box below, and you can try it and you can make changes to it, and let me know what changes you've decided to make to the recipe. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are not a subscriber, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram. Bye.